Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Al-Ma'idah 5 and Ayat 3. Al-Yawma ya'isa alladhina kafaru min dinikum fala takshawhum wakhshawun. Al-Yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum wa atmamtu alaykum ni'mati wa raditu lakum al-Islam deena. This day those who reject have given up hope from your deen judgment, from your deen the judgment. So do not fear them, but fear me. This day I have perfected your deen judgment for you and completed my favor upon you. And I am pleased for you of Islam to attain peace as a deen judgment. In this ayah, it is telling us that when you will have Al-Islam attain peace completely. When? It is telling to the people, this day, they're referring to a day in everybody's life. You must understand, we all, in the past, in the present, in the future, these ayahs remains constant. Men in the past were there, men in the present are here, and men we will not be here today, tomorrow the other people will come. So remember, these ayahs remain constant, they don't change, we come and go. So on that day, this day, those who reject faith, giving up all hope from your deen judgment. Meaning I or group of people who started implementing the judgments as laid down by Allah in the ayahs of Allah, the governing ayahs, as I make judgments, my judgments, on the principles of the ayahs of Allah or the governing ayahs of Allah, I take decisions, I take judgments and I implement. Suppose I'm giving an example. On that day, those who reject will give up all hope from your deen judgment. The people whom I am living around, they will interact with me, and finally they will realize that this gentleman is taking judgments on the ayahs of Allah where he himself is not taking judgments, and he is falling into maya by his own judgments on life. So he will, Allah said, those who reject have given up all hope from your deen judgment. Meaning your judgments on ayahs of Allah, you were judging on the ayahs of Allah, you were practicing on the governing ayahs of Allah. So the person whom you are living around, he will give up all hope. Now this man is changed, totally changed. He is not among us, from among us. He's become totally different. Now he always referred to an ayah of his practices. So that person will lose all hope, will give up all hope from your deen judgment. So Allah says, so do not fear them, but fear me. So we don't have to fear them, Allah says, but fear Allah. And further, this day, that day, I have perfected your deen judgment for you and completed my favor upon you. And I am pleased for you of Islam to attain peace as a deen judgment. So whenever in a society where you live, you start practicing the ayahs or the governing ayahs, you discuss these ayahs with the other people, and the other people are not following the ayahs, so they reject. So they lose all hope of your judgment. The day the people will lose all hope from you, where you are taking decision or taking judgments from the ayahs and implementing those ayahs, so they will lose all hope from you, from your judgment. On that day, Allah says, I have perfected your judgment for you and completed my favor upon you, and I am pleased for you of Islam to attain peace, a deen of judgment. You understand this? You must understand this is very important. Okay, the day when you start practicing on the ayahs, you start sharing with these ayahs with other people, and the people who are rejectors of the ayahs will fight with you, they will argue with you. And a day comes when they will no more argue with you. They will lose all hope that this man is too much in the practice of the ayahs. In the practice of the ayahs. Not only remembering the ayahs, just I memorize the ayahs. No, you remember and implement. Remember and implement. You have to develop the character, you live in peace, you attain peace. And the more in your surroundings that people you are living and interacting, those people say, look, we are not practicing, he is practicing, we are not practicing, he is practicing. You understand this kind of behavior? He's changing his character, he's changing his life, he's implementing this kind of behavior when they will know. So they will lose all hope by not confronting you. They will, in the initial they will confront, but finally they will discover that he has changed now. He's totally changed, man. That day, that is the day when these people will lose all hope from your practices, your judgments. That day, Allah said, that day I have perfected your deen judgment for you and completed my favor upon you, and I am pleased for you, Islam, to attain peace. That is the day. How will you come to know that Islam is being completed on you or you are in to attain peace? When your environment, your people that are surrounding knows that you are changed. If you are hiding yourself by not showing and discussing an ayah, that means Allah is not pleased with you. You have to establish in your environment where you live upon, among your category people, by sharing the message with them and confronting with them until they lose all hope from your judgment. That is the time when people realizes that they can't fight with you, they can't argue with you, they know that their character is not right. They know that your character is standing like a big tree. They can't argue, debate, anything, nothing, finish. So they lose all hope of your judgment. That day, Allah says, I have perfected your deen, your judgment, and completed my favor on you, and I am pleased for you to attain peace, Islam as a judgment, that you have taken the judgment.